Now let's go to our weatherman, Shane, for the winter forecast.
Thanks, Aaliyah. Now, as you can see, there's a cold front blowing on through here. And the whole region's gonna be pretty cold, except for right there.
What's that?
That's gonna be a Phoenix Sears location. Equipped with the best, latest, reclining heated seats to combat this frigid weather coming on through. Isn't that great, Aaliyah?
Hi, Mom. You'll never believe this. I know. Cancel our plans. We're going to the movies. Just wait. Listen to this.
That's right, Aaliyah's mom. Every Phoenix Sears location, every auditorium has heated, reclining seats. So kick back, relax, and recline. Now for our 3-day weather forecast.